The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Union County in southern Illinois, southwestern Jackson County in southern Illinois, northeastern Cape Girardeau County in southeastern Missouri until 8:30 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Jackson, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and half-dollar size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Trail of Tears State Park and where around 8:05 p.m. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 99 and 106. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.